Before you buy the ThinkCar OBD2 scanner, it's crucial to weigh the pros and cons. As always, the link to purchase is in the description below. Pros: it offers wide vehicle coverage, compatible with over 94 brands, making it versatile for diagnostics. The interface is user-friendly with a touchscreen, perfect for both beginners and experienced users. You get 24/7 online support through the in-app chat for any technical help. Quick diagnostics are available with one-click scanning for engine, ABS, SR and transmission systems. It also provides optional reset functions with 28 resets available for advanced maintenance. Now the cons. Some advanced functions like reset options require an extra fee, which might be a drawback for those on a budget. Compatibility can vary depending on the vehicle model, so it's essential to verify before purchasing. If a fault code persists after clearing, it may indicate a deeper hardware issue that the scanner can't fix. In summary, the ThinkCar OBD2 scanner offers robust features, but make sure it fits your needs and budget.